are melting.
Luigi, I'm bored. Yeah, I'm bored also. Let's play Legos. No, I hate Legos.
Join the fight against climate
you got like
change.
50 Lego sets. Star Wars and Jagu. Just one set from Batman. Because I like Legos. Sometimes. Well, do you want to play Nerf guns? Yeah, let's play Nerf guns. Hey, Fire Mario, can you give out Nerf guns? Okay. Oh, that hurt my butt. Okay. My base is going to be right here. My base is going to be all the way right here. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, baby Luigi. Start. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, baby Luigi, you're not gonna win. Because I got me the zombie striker. Let me see. Aim and fire. Whoa! Eat my mama. Eat my mama. You're like, eat my sausage. I don't want to eat your filthy mama sausage. Hey, my mama's yummy. You'd say your mama's yummy for whooping your butt. I don't think so. Eat this. Eat this. He's coming. Dude, I'm coming. Haha. Mario, I know you're here. I just keep on the ball. Oh! I know you're here, Mario. I'm just around the corner. If you know what I mean. Right. He's out here. Ugly son of a... It's Big Mario. Your best friend. I win! Yay! I win! To be continued of Mario and Luigi and what was it again, Mr. Butler? Almost to be continued. My baby Luigi. What was it again? Let me see. Oh, here it is. Okay, it was the Civil War battle. 1 through 2. That means episode 1 and episode 2. That means bye, guys.